good to feed them like milk and meat because it's kind of dangerous for them too? I don't know if that's like.
No, there is no problem. There is no problem. I mean, meat and milk is would be forbidden uh, to feed to your pets. Why? Because one of the three prohibitions that we have in meat and milk combination is deriving benefit, but we are allowed to derive benefit from rabbinically forbidden mixtures, right? So what is it rabbinically forbidden? Like we said, chicken and milk. So it's only rabbinically forbidden, or wild animals and milk of domestic animals. So, but mixture milk and milk, we don't feed them, especially it was cooked together.